change opens up opportunities. How can we help the partners to accelerate their time to market, drive revenue, and build their skill sets? The Mint program does all those things in one.
Our customers are buying into the vision for the future of networking, which is intent-based networking. And we understand that requires an entirely new set of technical capabilities in order to deploy, but also so that your customers realize the value of the solution. That's why we've come up with the Mentored Install Network Training Initiative, MINT for short.
Mint service partners are rigorously trained and validated by our Enterprise Networking Business Unit and by the Global Partner Organization SWAT team. Cisco also stands behind these Mint service partners to provide them support when they need it.
To get into the Mint program, we had to take it to another level. So we've made investments from an infrastructure perspective, investments from an employee staffing perspective, and an investment from a time perspective.
Each Mint service partner is hand-selected by Cisco, and they don't compete with their channel partners.
For each mentored install engagement, Fastlane reaches out to Cisco to engage and understand what's going on with the customer, what's going on with the partner, where are the key needs. Qualification is done from Cisco and then handed off to us. Once that process is completed, then we go into our own discovery mode with the partner, with the customer, to really understand what needs to happen. Cisco is always there to support us, to ensure that the full deployment is successful. At the same time, it is our responsibility to take it to the end and ensure the partner and the customer are satisfied. So on an ongoing basis, we're all doing this in hand.
The inflection point is right now. The industry's changing, the network technologies are developing, and the partners are converging into better business models.